morning, you guys. I just woke up at 7:30 a.m. and this morning was a bit chilly, which put me in a cozy mood. So I thought let's make a fall cozy vlog today. But I know by the midday it's gonna be extremely hot and the fall vibe that I'm feeling right now is just gonna be gone again. I got freshened up and everything. I've got a couple of things planned for the day. I really want to spend it, just feeling all the fall vibes. Because let's be honest, we are in India and there's no bloody leaves turning orange. And it's just, I don't know, but I still want to get into the whole cozy vibe. I've added this thing to my morning routine where I just wake up and the first thing I do is just sit by the window, turn on the lamp to feel all the cozy vibes, have my hot water while reading a book. And I absolutely love doing this. I look forward to this part of the day, and I think it also motivates me to kind of wake up early. I mean, I haven't woke up way too early today. I woke up at 7 a.m. I love my slow mornings. I just changed into my workout outfit, which is literally oversized t-shirt and a pair of basic black leggings. I'm gonna do an at-home Pilates workout. I've been trying to add movement into my day a lot recently. The other day I tried this Pilates for beginners and I thought it would be so easy, but oh my god, by the end of the whole class I wasn't able to move my legs at all, and I'm damn, okay. And even though I have been strength training at the gym, in the UK I used to go to the gym and do weightlifting and stuff, but still the Pilates for beginners was extremely difficult. And so when people actually go to those Pilates classes with all that machines, I can imagine how difficult that must be. That felt extremely good, and I'm a bit sweaty, so I'm gonna shower first and then I'll make something for breakfast. Just took a nice shower and now I'm extremely hungry, and I'm very excited for my breakfast actually, because I'm gonna make cinnamon oat pancakes. Such a fall recipe. I actually wanted to bake a carrot cake or a banana cake or something, but I don't have an oven in this house, and oh my god, I really miss my UK wala ghar, because I used to bake these really healthy and yummy oat cakes. But it's okay, I'll buy that mini oven. Yeah, let's make the pancake. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. I'm going to use rolled oats. I feel like rolled oats work really well when you want to make pancakes and stuff. And then oat milk, some jaggery powder for the sweetness, and some honey and banana for my topping, baking powder and cinnamon. Welcome to my cooking show. So it's a really basic recipe and it doesn't really require any efforts. You can literally make these pancakes in 15 minutes tops. So I'm gonna take half a cup of whole rolled oats. I'm gonna add 1 egg for protein and also to make the pancakes fluffy. You can definitely make these without egg. I think you can add yogurt instead of an egg. Then I'm gonna add some jaggery powder for the sweetness, or you can also replace this with a banana. That will make you a banana oats pancakes, which taste really amazing too. some oat milk. Goes the oat milk. Lots of cinnamon. I love cinnamon. That's what will give these pancakes its flavor. I'm actually doing this recipe for the first time, so even though I'm acting like I know what I'm doing, I really don't know. Then baking powder. I'm sorry about the construction noise, I really can't help it. But yeah, I'm gonna do like half a teaspoon of baking powder, some salt to bring out the flavor. Okay, what else? At this stage, you could add like protein powder if you want to make them rich in protein, but I think one egg is enough for me. Okay, so I had to scrap the whole thing that I made before क्योंकि उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा liquid हो गया था. It literally turned into a smoothie, not even a smoothie, like a milkshake. I think I put a lot of milk. So this batter is now like perfect for pancakes. So I did not add any milk in this thing. Just did like oats, half a banana, one egg, cinnamon, vanilla extract, salt, and blended it. And now it's like a good, like thick pancake consistency. So I hope they turn out good. Let's do a taste test. It actually tastes like banana bread and it's also become so fluffy. I think I added the right amount of baking powder. Here's a detailed recipe if you wanna make it. So I'm just gonna enjoy these pancakes, and I've also put on like a fall ambience music. I love doing that. I always put on like some ambience music. It just feels so like calming. Instead of watching Netflix and eating my food, I love to do this. Lamp and those candles that I've put on and the fairy lights is just giving me very cozy vibes. So I'm just gonna enjoy this. I've been doing some work like editing my previous vlog that I'm supposed to post today, and then I realized that it's actually the 11th of November today. It's the 11/11 portal, which is believed to be the most powerful sort of portal when you want to manifest and feel gratitude, etc. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna sit and manifest. I'm gonna do the scripting method. That is by far my most favorite method. I don't know if you all believe in manifestations, but I really do. Starting that, I'm going to do some affirmations just to put my mind and headspace in a positive and a motivational zone. I'm just done doing the manifestation thing, and doing that has actually, I'm already feeling so motivated to like get on with my day, and I'm just feeling like extremely pumped up right now. So I don't want to sit at home and spend the entire day, because I know if I like stay in that bed for even like 15 minutes longer, I know I'm just gonna start watching some series, which I don't want to do right now. So I am gonna go to a cafe and continue working rest of the day from the cafe. I need to go back to my office from tomorrow, so I really want to utilize this day off as much as I can and like work on myself, on like personal things. So I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna put on like a cute fall outfit. Obviously I'm not gonna wear like sweater and everything because it is literally 30 degrees right now. I think I'm gonna wear this skirt. It's so cute and it's like very fall coded as well. And on top of that I'm thinking I'll wear like this t-shirt. So I think it will look cute. So I feel like the colors are giving very fall, but it's still quite summery. This is what the outfit looks like. It's giving very academia girl energy and I'm loving it. Carrying this tote bag, I've carried my laptop, my charger and all of that, diary and a book. I don't know why I carried a book, but I'm gonna book an auto and then go to Starbucks and work from there for like at least 2 hours. It's 3 o'clock right now, so I'll work there until like 5:30ish. I got back home from the cafe and oh my god, it was so awkward to vlog in public. Itna ki I just couldn't. So yeah, basically I wanted to have like pumpkin spiced latte because of the whole fall vibe that has been going on with me since morning, but they didn't have it. So I just had a hazelnut latte. I feel like hazelnut also screams like holiday season, so it worked fine. It gave me all the vibes that I needed. But yeah, I've come back home and now I'm going to edit a reel which I want to post today, and then I'm going to edit like thumbnail for the vlog that I'm going to post today. Okay, it's been 2 hours since I've been editing my reel and the YouTube video that's supposed to go live right now, and I'm extremely hungry. It is 7:30 p.m. It's like way past my dinner time. I have my dinner at 7 p.m. normally. So I've just made like a lazy girl dinner. I mean, some of you all might think that this is sick people ka food, but I love making like a khichdi. It's so quick and so like healthy and fulfilling, just like one pot recipe. And then I'm just gonna give like a chili garlic curry leaves tadka, and that's dinner for me. It's so quick and easy. I make this almost every other night, like when I come back from work and I'm extremely tired. This is like my go-to dinner. I can eat dal chawal for 50 saal till I die. No regrets. It's also such a fall appropriate dish, like it gives all the cozy and homely vibes. So I'm just gonna enjoy this, and I'm watching Viva movie LOL after so long. It just came up on my like home screen, so I was like, why not? It's almost my bedtime. It's 9:30 p.m. It's time for my little nighttime like bedtime routine. First thing that I'm gonna do is remove the makeup, like double cleanse. I'm literally so sleepy right now. I am one of those people who sleep way too early. If it were a work day, I would have been in bed by 9 p.m. Done with my evening skincare. It's extremely simple, and now I'm gonna do my favorite part of the day. Like after the morning reading thingy, my favorite part about my night routine is my night reading, along with like a nice herbal tea, Currently I'm drinking chamomile tea, so I'm just gonna make myself a nice cup of chamomile tea and then just set up the ambience again and read a book. That's it, you guys. I'm extremely sleepy right now. It's way past my bedtime. I don't know why I wasn't able to like sleep earlier. It might be because of the coffee that I had in Starbucks. But yeah, I am feeling quite sleepy now. I need to wake up at 6 a.m. tomorrow. I'm just gonna scroll on my Pinterest and look for some like easy lunch ideas to pack to work tomorrow and then just doze off. Yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, that's it. Good night, guys.